1. Hello 3D animation. Hook. Can a mechanical engineer become an animator? In 2008, I asked myself that question. My journey from engineer to animator. After graduating in 2007, my name is D Square, eagerly looking for my first job. My dream was to dedicate my career to that first company. My initial job was as a technical engineer at a telecommunications equipment manufacturing company, designing, programming, operating machining centers. At that time, 2006, resources for mold design, manufacturing, and CNC operation were scarce, mainly relying on books. I started with simple designs, keychains, telecommunications equipment holders, technical boxes. After a year, my income was only half of my friends'. This pushed me to look for new opportunities. After 2 months of unemployment and meeting my future wife, and I found my new chapter at NEPTECH, a state-owned organization. From 2008 to 2010, 2015, I started as a Pro E-Wildfire software training collaborator, then became a full-time employee. NEPTECH's mission is to be equipped with copyrighted software and modern machinery such as 3+2-axis CNC milling machines, C-axis CNC machines, lathes, laser distance measuring machines, etc. to support private enterprises. Before 2010, Vietnam's mechanical processing technology was largely outdated. Very few enterprises owned copyrighted software or CNC machines. Our job is to research and apply software to solve production problems, then share those lessons through training to improve technology standards. Product marketing is also key. When our 3D Via Composer expert left, although I still managed the CMM reverse engineering and measurement lab, I took over. Leveraging my solid 3D modeling background, I took over 3D Via Composer. Starting from scratch, I learned through simple assembly simulation videos. Seeing the huge demand for CNC at that time, an idea came to me. I'll make a video on how to build my own CNC machine. That led to my first YouTube video, Home CNC, which inspired the development of mini CNC machines and 3D printers, end of nar 1. Next time in number 2, I'll share my journey of learning animation on engineering software, the challenges I faced and how I overcame them. Stay tuned.